Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
To use 1.1.1.1 DNS, start by opening your device's network settings. For most devices, you'll replace the existing DNS addresses with 1.1.1.1 for IPv4 and 2606.4700.4700.1111 for IPv6. On Windows, go to Network and Internet Settings, change adapter options. Right-click your Wi-Fi network, select Properties, then Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4, and enter the DNS addresses. On smartphones, access your Wi-Fi network settings and look for the DNS or IP settings option to update them. This change can enhance your internet speed and privacy.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.